Jada Toys Incorporated is an American manufacturer of collectible scale model cars, figures, radio-controlled model vehicles, and dolls. It was founded in 1999 by Jack and Maylee. 1. Jada's products are predominantly aimed at the collectible market and are available and popular at retail outlets worldwide. The company has or has had license rights to market products from a wide range of entertainment companies and franchises as well as sports associations, including DC Comics, Disney, Marvel Comics, NASCAR, NBA, WWE, Fast and Furious, and Hello Kitty, among others. History about Jada Toys. Founded by Jack and Maylee in 1999, 1. Jada's first toy was a 1/24 scale die-cast 1953 Chevrolet tow truck, part of their Thunder Crusher line. Though the Chevrolet tow truck toy and other lines proved successful, the company remained in obscurity until the introduction of the urban-themed DUB City brand. Launched in collaboration with DUB magazine in 2002, the line presents officially licensed vehicles with custom rims, lowered ride height and special in-car entertainment systems. Dubs, so named for their 20-inch or bigger wheels, are among the company's best sellers and the most visible in retail outlets. The company launched the DUB City spin-off Chub City in 2005. Targeted at a younger generation of collectors, the line included heavily stylized vehicles and a story told through webisodes and comics. The human characters featured in the story inspired toys of their own. By 2007, the line had done over $12.5 million in sales and was featured in a Burger King Kids meal promotion. In 2009, Jada sold the brand to Dentsu Entertainment, who, in conjunction with Fuel Entertainment and Nelvana, planned on launching a $15 million 52-episode animated series in late 2015. At the time of the sale, Chub City Toys had sold over 20 million units. Branching out of automotive licensing, in 2008 Jada Toys teamed up with Activision to release the Guitar Hero Air Guitar Rocker. The toy consists of a belt buckle, a portable speaker and 2 guitar picks. Waving the pick near the buckle lets the user play air guitar to one of 10 songs, 5 licensed tracks, such as Black Sabbath's Iron Man and Boston's More Than a Feeling. 2 cartridges that add additional songs were also released.